I think Ross Medicine prepares you in a way that a lot of other schools don't. I think they help you become a real problem solver, and they teach you how to be extremely adaptable in any kind of environment you encounter. So I think the situations that you're put in, the opportunities that they have, allow you to learn to be adaptable and to kind of be ready for anything that gets thrown your way.
Being able to go to Barbados and see what it was like, outside of my bubble was such a big plus for me, and I feel like it had a great impact on the care that I provide for patients, as well as going into, various clinical situations up in Michigan, with my fellow Ross students, as well as students from other medical schools. I felt that we were more prepared.
I do feel ready to be a great physician, and I believe that I have the skills and the confidence to go out into the world and do the best job that I can to help people, and I'm ready to be a great doctor.